Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another full face of first impressions, I guess you could call this. I'm going to be playing with a new brand in today's video that I haven't actually tested. The brand is called Focallure. I've had a lot of requests from you guys to test out this brand. It's a really affordable brand with like millions of options. Like, it's probably the best way to describe it. Kind of reminds me of like Makeup Revolution and those kinds of brands. But I've been seeing in a lot of the comments requests from you guys to test out a bunch of their products. So I've got a big order here from the website. I got primer, foundation, concealer, powder, some of their eyeshadow palettes, some cheek products. Pretty much tried to get as much as I possibly could. So yeah, we're basically going to hang out here, try out some of these products. And I mean, the packaging is beautiful. Like, look, they just look really beautiful and they feel really nice. And let me tell you, these are cheap. I feel like these palettes, maybe they were like $12. Like, it's so affordable. So yes, we're going to do a full face and we're going to hang out and test a bunch of affordable makeup. So if you're interested in watching that, then please stick around. All right, so I've got nothing on my skin. We're going to go in and prime first. I've just made sure, I've sort of set the products out in front of me to make sure that I've got everything, and I'm actually missing mascara and eyeshadow like base. So I'll probably, was that it? Yeah, I think that was it. So I'll probably have to do those off camera, but it's okay. First up, I have the primer. So this is the Perfect Face Matte Primer. Most of the information about the products is on the boxes, just so you're aware. So I'm going to be reading kind of up the boxes. Vegan 12-hour primer that fights shine and minimizes the look of pores for a smooth matte surface. Cool. Most of the requests that I saw were for the eyeshadow palettes in particular, like on their website. And like, I've got their website open here so I can check prices and stuff for you guys. But there are so many eyeshadow palettes. They look beautiful. And it does look like they also dupe, sort of like do kind of dupe stuff like higher end brands and things. Yeah, there's a lot of really pretty stuff on here. So I pumped a little of that primer on the back of my hand and it does look to be very pore minimizing. Yeah, it's got a very sort of silicone type feel to it. Look at this. So this has happened. It's the holiday season and I am so heavy into the junk food. All right, so the primer, it basically feels like a pore minimizing primer. Like, it feels smoothing. It kind of feels like professional on the skin. Definitely very like silicone based sort of a primer. Like, it's got that slippery feel. It does feel quite nice. We'll see how it goes. I did not need an entire pump. I've literally used like, I don't know, a quarter of what I've got on the back of my hand. And it's more than enough. All right, moving on to foundation. I've got their Skin Evolution Fluid Foundation. They did have a couple of different foundations available on the website, but this one sort of appealed to me the most. Camouflages imperfections, delivers a long-lasting velvet matte finish, highly pigmented, blends effortlessly to create a soft focus effect on the skin, delivering a dimensional velvet matte finish that never looks flat. So I've got two shades here. I've got Natural Tan and Honey. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like Natural Tan will be the closest match. So I've just pumped that on the back of my hand. Oh, it's quite liquidy actually. Doesn't really have a scent. I'm going to take it on a beauty blender. We're going to see how this goes. Quite lightweight. It's probably like a light to medium coverage, I would say. It's not bad though. Jeez. So that's the Natural Tan shade. I feel like it's too dark. All right, so this is Honey. Yep, Honey's darker. Look, we're just going to be particularly bronzy today, all right? It's fine. Actually, the concealer that I got is quite light, so I should be able to correct, like, with the concealer. It just feels incredibly lightweight on the skin. Like, it almost feels like a moisturizer. It does look pretty good too. We shall see, because you guys know I am oily. Oily is an understatement at this point. In summer, it's summer here. For reference, because I know that there are quite a few of you who are exactly the same skin tone as me. I'm NC30 in MAC, and yeah, if you're going to grab this foundation, go lighter than the shade 5. This is shade 5. It's definitely too dark. All right, so like I said, I have their concealer. This is the full coverage concealer. This is really nice packaging, actually. I love packaging like this, like simple and chic, and it's just quite classy. Sort of got like an emollient, creamy-ish kind of a texture. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh. I'm going to like use a little of that. I'm basically just going to blend it and mix it sort of in with the foundation a bit to kind of correct everything. It's always so hard to choose your colors online. Like it's always so hard. I've had a look at the brow products and unfortunately I've ordered the wrong colors. Man, I'm failing, aren't I? This is their brow cream. I got the shade Ash Brown and it's very, very dark. I grab a brush. Oh, it's a nice formula though. Well, maybe we can get away with it. Yeah, maybe we actually can get away with it. I actually really like that color. How many times have you guys seen me pick up like a brow gel and be like, I can't wear that. I've literally just done it again and it's fine. I will use a different brush though. Like, when will she learn? Wow, that's a really nice formula. It's very, very easy to apply, very easy to blend. It's actually beautiful. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes off camera and then we're going to move on to testing these eyeshadow palettes. I'm actually really excited for these. They look freaking gorgeous. All right, so eyes are all primed and we're going to move into these eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so I got 3. I got the So Hot. This is a 12 color eyeshadow palette. This is the one that I saw the most requests to review, so I obviously got this one. Like, it's honestly stunning. And then these are the shadows inside this one. It's a really nice mixture of like warms and like bright pops of color. It's obviously like a really pretty summery palette. And then I also got this really pretty purpley palette. This one is Night Elf. Love a look at that one. Oh, like look at this and look at this copper. These two, dead. Okay, they swatch really freaking well. Ooh. And then finally, this little one here, the Wonder palette. And that's what the inside looks like. Really, really pretty. Love a look at that blue too. I'm going to take the Wonder palette first, and I'm going to start out with these 2 transition shades here, and I'm going to work them through the crease. Actually, probably mostly the deeper one. Quite a bit of payoff on the brush. Oh, I'm just bumping everything. Let's see how we go. It seems to be blending out really well. Like, certainly no complaints. Like, that's pretty. I'm going to take this slightly deeper shade here. These palettes actually quite remind me of Colourpop shadows, like their eyeshadow palettes. So I'm blending this one into the crease as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, these shadows are beautiful, especially for that price. I know they do codes actually as well. I might contact them and see if I can get a code for you guys so that you can get an even. I mean, I've seen other people with codes. If I can't get one, I'll pop someone else's code down below. There'll be links and like a code in the description bar. It might not be mine, it might be someone else's. They're not, I don't believe they're like affiliate, like you earn money off them. But I'll sort something out. Ooh, I don't know what colors to do. Like, they're all so nice. Like, look at that blue. All right, so I'm going to take the So Hot palette, and I'm actually intrigued by this shade here. This is called Platinum Crystal. I'm going to pack that onto the lid, I think. It's a really pretty, kind of like different color. It's like a duochrome silver, but it's got blue and purple through it. It looks really nice. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. Oh, that's such a different color. I like that. It's got quite a creamy sort of a formula. It's got pretty good payoff too. That's such a pretty color. I really like it. Very, very pretty. So I think I'm going to take a blending brush, take the same color. Just picked up like a little bit of it. And I'm going to like softly blend the edges. Oh, but this purple... Oh, I don't know if I can't not use that now that I've swatched it. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's like a sheerish kind of purple color with blue glitters. It's probably more of a topper, but it is very pretty. Look, I'm doing it. I'm going in. Whatever. Oh, it just intensifies it. Oh, okay. I'm not mad that I made that decision. Such a different, like, it's nearly like a, it feels like a cream, these shimmers. All right, I'm going to take a little of Sunset now. This is like a shimmery champagne. This has got like more of a traditional like shimmer formula. Those other ones are nearly like pressed cream glitters. They're very cool. They are nice. Oh, and I like chestnut. No, Nikkiajoy. I always just continue piling them on and it's usually a mistake. So taking Sunset. Oh, it looks quite pink on the brush, doesn't it? I'll put that in the inner corner. Oh, it's like a duochrome. It's like a pink and a gold, like with a shift. That's nice. And then we might might test the, I've got a liquid eyeliner from them, and I'm not gonna lie, I swatched it on the back of my hand earlier. Yeah, she's black. I am really interested to see how this all lasts. I'm gonna keep this makeup on. I will update you, because it's all well and good for it to be affordable, but does it actually stay on? That's what we need to know. So, the liquid eyeliner. It is a felt tip eyeliner, and it's meant to be quite long lasting. And like I said, it is extremely black. Like, look at this. Bam. It's got so much pigment. I'm going to do a little eyeliner moment. Will I do a wing? Not sure. Yeah, this is so pigmented, you guys. I tested out the Pat McGrath eyeliner yesterday. And I mean, that thing, it costs so much money. I think it's like 50 Australian dollars. This is a lot more pigmented than that one was. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a wing. I don't know. But I'm going to finish my eyeliner. I'm going to put lashes on off camera. And then I'll be back. And mascara. And then I'll be back. And we're going to start playing with, I've got like a setting powder here. Look at the setting powder. Prettiest packaging ever, and some cheek products and stuff. So I will see you very soon. All right, so eyes are done. We're going to move back onto the face now. And yes, I ended up with a wing. I can't be helped. I can't help it. So we're going to be testing out the Flawless Setting Powder. I cannot deal with how beautiful this packaging is. Look at this. It's like actually beautiful. Look at that lid. It's like printed. Wait, there we go. Flawless Setting Powder. It's so pretty. So I have this shade Coraline color. For the most part, it's supposed to be translucent, silky vegan, protects makeup without flaking, creasing, or caking. It blends invisibly to absorb shine and set your makeup to a matte finish. It's got one of those mesh things. You know those? I'm just going to tip the powder into the lid. Kind of looks like it's a lightly sort of ish vanilla tinted. Looks pretty. So I'm going to take it with my my Beauty Blender sponge. Oh gosh, it's very, very lightweight. I'm going to apply it. Ooh. Hey, that's really nice. This foundation looks really nice now that it's set down. I was a bit worried that it was like looking a little shiny. It still feels very, very lightweight. It doesn't dry down to a matte finish, like it's tacky. But it's so lightweight on the skin, I just feel like I'm wearing a moisturizer. Like, it's not bad for like a low coverage, sort of like affordable foundation. It's really nice. So I am setting everything down now. Oh my gosh, this is actually working out really well. Oh. All right, moving on to the cheeks. I have this little guy here. This is the Sculpt Glow Palette in the shade number 3. And basically what you have in here is a cool tone contour shade and then a shimmery highlighter. I do also have a highlighting palette. So I'm kind of keen to check this one. Oh, there's a bit of paper in there. I'm keen to check this one out too. This is the Northern Lights highlighting palette. It's definitely like a straight up sculpting powder. A lot of these, duos that you do tend to find, they call them sculpting colors, but they're really just bronzers. There's a huge difference between a sculpting powder and a bronzer. A bronzer's like quite warm, it can be shimmery. Contour colors are straight up cool tone like this. I'm gonna use this to add shadow. Oh, that's really nice too. So I'm gonna use this around the face to add shadow and also bringing it underneath the jaw. If you sort of picture like a 3, it's kind of the easiest way to, imagine where you need to put it. It's an incredibly fine powder. It's not over the top pigmented. I'm actually not a huge fan of contour powders that are super pigmented because they're just a nightmare to blend. It makes it really difficult to work with. This one's really nice and light, but at the same time, it doesn't take much to really build it up. It's a good formula. Now, I do also have one of their Color Mix blushes. This is long-lasting shimmering color, can be worn wet for a vibrant effect or dry for sheer pigmentation. Oh my god, this is not blush, this is an eyeshadow. Why did I think it was a blush? I mean, it's kind of the color of a blush. It's definitely an eyeshadow though. It says literally here on the back, offering a variety of gorgeous eye looks. Oopsies. But I mean, some of the shades in here are kind of blushy. Maybe we could use a little bit of this. Let's try that. So this is the Northern Lights highlighting palette. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to try this as a blush. I'm just going to tap off most of the excess. Just use it very gently. Oh my God. Applying that over top of that highlighter. Like, I didn't like that highlighter as a blush on its own, but this over the top, can you guys see how pretty that is? Hopefully you can see it. That's beautiful. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh my goodness. The highlighters in this one do look really pretty. They're like a baked formula. I want to try the other one. This one just looks so nice. I'm going to try this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Yep. Oh. How much is this little guy? Okay, so it's currently $7. I could not recommend this one anymore. It is beautiful. Like, look at that. I put the tiniest amount on. I am glowing to the high heavens. Oh, Focallure, you have got me, girl. Can we? That is insane. That's nicer than like literally all of my high-end highlighters. Oh, I'm so glad that we filmed this video. It's not enhancing texture either. Like, it's a really beautiful smooth formula. Oh, ho, ho. I'll put some pretty well everywhere else now that I'm obsessed with it. Can't believe how cheap it is. I'm going to get the other shades. This palette does come in 4 different shades. I need the other shade. I think this might be my favorite out of everything that we've tested today. I mean, I do really, really like that brow gel, but this hands down is the best of the best. And then finally for lips, I have 2 of their liquid lipsticks here. So they call these their matte lips. Where's the box? I mean, I always buy the same colors, don't I? I think the Cool Tone one. So this is called Old Rose. Oh, it's got a nice little applicator. Doesn't, oh, what is that? I feel like it's scented like coffee. Oh wow, the formula's nice too. I can't get over that highlighter, guys. I could stare at that all day. It's quite a nice formula, very pigmented. I've only applied 1 layer. I don't think it needs, I don't think it needs any more. I think I'm happy. It's really pretty color too. I like the formula of that. So there you have it, guys. This is the finished look, and I am feeling like so girly with the pink and the purple. I think it looks really pretty. Not gonna lie, this may change my life. I'm gonna go straight ahead and get the other 3 of these. So the other 3 shades, looks like they come in slightly lighter shades and then also deeper bronzier shades. This is absolutely ridiculous, and the packaging is beautiful. It feels really nice. Like, how this is so affordable, I do not know. I also thought the palettes are really nice. I really liked the brow gel. The setting powder was really nice. I mean, like I said, I'm going to wear this for the rest of the day. I will update you guys down below, probably in like a pinned comment or something, letting you know how it all wore. But as a first impression, like especially for the price, it's totally worth looking into. So for all of you who were asking for reviews, definitely, I think, go straight ahead, order whichever ones you think look the prettiest. I think you'll be really, really happy with the formula of these. So like I said, I will try and get a discount for you guys. I'll try and get something organized, and I'll pop links and everything in the description bar as well. But yes, I hope that you really enjoyed the video. I hope that you enjoyed discovering a new super affordable makeup brand that's actually really freaking good. I certainly had fun playing with these products. I mean, I'm sorry, I just can't stop staring at the highlighter. I'm done. I've got to walk away from a mirror because I'm going to do this all day. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I will catch you all in my next video.